Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of authentic and profitable woodworking business models, design ideas for today's market. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The significance of turning timber into treasure lies in the deep alignment between authenticity, versatility, sustainability, and emotional resonance, especially when viewed through the lens of today's most successful woodworking business models. Modern markets, saturated with mass-produced goods, have created a demand for items that feel unique, meaningful, and environmentally conscious. This is where woodworking steps in, not simply as a craft or profession, but as a channel for cultural relevance and financial sustainability. At its core, woodworking that embraces timber as a treasure taps into authenticity, which is increasingly prized by consumers. Authenticity here means both the honest character of the wood itself, with its natural knots, variations in grain, and imperfections that tell the story of the tree's life, and the honesty of the maker, whose creativity, time, and vision are visibly present in each piece. When a woodworking business is rooted in authenticity, its products stand apart from machine-perfect but soulless alternatives. Customers are drawn to objects that feel genuine, not fabricated solely for profit, and this truth becomes the cornerstone for profitable, enduring business models in the woodworking world. Equally important is the versatility of timber, a material that lends itself to countless forms and functions. From furniture to home decor, from small accessories like phone stands or jewelry boxes to large architectural elements such as doors or wall paneling, the potential of wood to adapt to evolving market demands is unmatched. For business models, this versatility allows woodworkers to explore multiple income streams, pivot between trends, and tailor their offerings to niche audiences without abandoning their core skill set. Versatility also ensures scalability. A business may start by selling handmade cutting boards at local markets, but can grow into producing custom cabinetry or unique designer pieces for global customers. Unlike industries tied to single-use or short-lived products, woodworking leverages a material that maintains relevance across centuries, ensuring long-term business stability. The ability of wood to embody both utility and beauty in equal measure makes it a foundation upon which diverse and profitable woodworking businesses can thrive. Sustainability further amplifies the significance of turning timber into treasure, shaping the moral and practical dimensions of modern woodworking businesses. As climate change awareness deepens, consumers are increasingly committed to purchasing items that align with eco-conscious values. This has redefined the way successful woodworking businesses position themselves in the market. By sourcing reclaimed wood, using offcuts, or working with sustainably harvested timber, woodworkers transform their craft into more than just product making. It becomes a movement toward responsibility and care for the planet. This resonates profoundly with buyers who want their purchasing choices to reflect their ethics. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Furthermore, sustainability also ensures long-term resource availability, protecting the industry itself. The emphasis on eco-friendly production reduces waste, lowers costs, and creates an authentic narrative that strengthens customer trust. In essence, sustainability is not only a moral compass, but a strategic advantage, offering woodworkers the chance to differentiate themselves from competitors while contributing positively to the world. Perhaps the most overlooked but deeply powerful element is the emotional resonance that timber carries when transformed into meaningful objects. Humans have always had a relationship with wood. It has sheltered us, warmed us, and served as a foundation for civilization itself. That ancient familiarity creates a subconscious connection when we see or touch wooden objects, especially handmade ones. This emotional resonance cannot be replicated by plastic, metal, or synthetic alternatives. In business models, this means woodworking products carry an added intangible value. They aren't just functional or decorative, they tell a story. A reclaimed timber dining table, for example, isn't only a surface to eat on, it becomes a conversation piece about sustainability, heritage, and craftsmanship. Wooden gifts carry with them a sense of intimacy and care, making them popular in markets that prize personalization and emotional depth. For businesses, this emotional pull drives customer loyalty, repeat purchases, and word-of-mouth marketing. People do not just buy wooden products. They buy into the narrative of authenticity, sustainability, and human creativity embedded in them. Taken together, authenticity, versatility, sustainability, and emotional resonance form the foundation for the top woodworking business models in today's market. Small-scale artisans and independent makers can build thriving businesses through platforms like Etsy or local craft fairs, leveraging authenticity and emotional resonance as their selling points. Larger operations can scale by highlighting sustainability and versatility, offering custom furniture or eco-conscious decor to design-focused clients. Hybrid business models, combining local presence with global e-commerce, thrive by balancing all four qualities. What distinguishes woodworking from many other industries is that it doesn't need to fabricate demand artificially. People inherently seek connection, beauty, and meaning in the objects they bring into their lives. In a world dominated by disposable goods and digital ephemera, timber turned into treasure offers the rare chance to create something lasting, something grounded in both tradition and innovation. The modern woodworking business is therefore not simply about crafting items to sell. It is about curating experiences, values, and stories that resonate with contemporary consumers. Each product becomes more than an object. It becomes a statement about authenticity in an artificial world, versatility in an unpredictable market, sustainability in a fragile ecosystem, and emotional resonance in a culture hungry for meaning. Those who understand this interconnected significance will not only succeed financially, but will also shape woodworking into one of the most relevant and admired industries of our time. By turning timber into treasure, woodworkers create not just objects but movements, bridging commerce and creativity, profit and purpose, the practical and the poetic. And in that balance lies the heart of today's most powerful woodworking business models. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, authentic, and profitable woodworking business models design ideas for today's market. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.